This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. Last night we air camped north of the Hoanib River. After breaking camp, we continued north. Traffic on D3707 was light. Last time we were here, they were out of diesel. We're heading southeast to a rumor of a desert oasis, a new campground worth a visit. For a small fee, you can use the pool for the day. This spot is surreal. And all good things must come to an end. Time to hit the dust again. We're heading into the Khowarib Gorge. We hope to use this four-wheel drive route as a shortcut to Etosha National Park. We rejoined the river a short time later. Today we started from the lower Hoanib, and we end the day camped on the banks of the upper Hoanib again. Parrots, a noisy start to day 17. Today Ben is sick. He's sleeping in the car. Tea time for Ben. How you feeling, Ben?
Better.
Out of the gorge and into the dust. And while Ben napped again, I checked out the water hole.
Paved road.
The Oppi-Koppi is an overland's heaven.
This way through all this dust. Yeah, and then we went down to Kamajap, great tar road, new one.
Day 18's objective is the Etosha National Park. Today was mostly a driving day, from Kamajap to Otio and then north to Etosha. We zipped through the park and then shot south to Tsumeb, where we spent 2 nights at the community campground. And yes, the pool was included.